Number 3, factor the expression. So, and then use the identities to simplify. So, like I was saying before, we can rewrite this. So instead of sine squared x plus sine to the 4th x, this could be 1 minus 2. And we'll just say that sine x is equal to a. So a squared plus a to the 4th. So how do I factor that? Well, it looks like a perfect square trinomial. So I can see that on the top, we're going to get a to the 4th. And on the bottom, we get negative 2a squared. So what multiplies to a to the 4th is a squared and a squared. But that doesn't add. So what if I make them negative? Yep, that works. So this is 1 minus sine squared of x times 1 minus sine squared of x. This is a perfect square trinomial. What does 1 minus sine squared x equal again? Yeah, this, cosine squared x. So both of these can be replaced with cosine squared x. And then just multiply those together. I have 4 cosines being multiplied together, so we have cosine to the 4th x. And that's it. We're done. Last one, number 5. Perform the indicated operation and use identities to simplify. So I see 2 fractions that are being added together. So I absolutely need a common denominator. And both of these fractions are already written in terms of sine and cosine. So I'm just going to go ahead and get this common denominator here. So it looks like I need to multiply the right side by 1 plus sine x on the top and the bottom. And on the left side, I need to multiply by cosine of x, because that's what the bottom is missing. Okay, so we get cosine squared x plus 1 plus sine x times 1 plus sine x. I know that's squared, but I kind of want to multiply that out. So, and this is all over cosine x times 1 plus sine x. Can I cancel these? No, because I don't have a 1 plus sine x to cancel from the first term on the top. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply out this binomial. So I get cosine squared x plus 1 plus 2 sine of x plus sine squared x all over cosine x times 1 plus sine x. All right, now what can I do? I'm going to look for some tricks. I see one. What is cosine squared x plus sine squared x equal to? That is equal to 1 according to the Pythagorean identities. So cosine squared x plus sine squared x is equal to 1. So I can replace that with a 1. So 1 plus 2 sine x over 1 plus sine x times cosine of x. Okay, so now I have 2 plus 2 sine x over cosine x times 1 plus sine x. And I think we could do better. On the top, let's take out these 2's. So 2 times 1, this is a GCF, plus 1 sine x over cosine x times 1 plus sine x. And boom, those cancel. So we get 2 over cosine x. That's what that simplifies to. Okay.